I am currently doing cabinet making and I'm in my second year. I worked at Bunnings for a good 3.5 to 4 years before I felt like a bit of a change. I like a very hands-on approach. My family are all cabinet makers as well, my older brother and my dad, so it was quite a familiar trade to go into. I was really surprised when I started here at Austell because of how specialised it was, obviously, in the marine industry and how different and how varied the work is compared to normal cabinet making. So just recently I've been working on this boat right behind me here, one of our Cape class patrol boats. On these boats we do everything from floor to ceiling and everything in between. So that's all the furniture, putting all the bunks in, all the cabinets, but it's a lot more than that as well. It's all the hardware, the fixings. So what's amazing about the defence industry is that it's such varied apprenticeships and traineeships that you can do. Be brave and just try something new. Sometimes we're not 100% sure if we're going to like something, but sometimes we find it's a perfect fit.